Look, we send I-Corps casualty reports every day. Don't all the other units do the same thing? Fine. And is it too much to ask that you check those casualty reports to see if anyone meeting that...
No.
Thanks a lot, pal. You ever need a favor, don't ask. Colonel?
Oh, Honeycutt, come on.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hamilton County, Western Hancock County, Northern Johnson County, Eastern Boone County, Eastern Hendricks County, Marion County, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:41 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lebanon to 7 miles west of Mooresville, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Indianapolis, Carmel, Fishers, Noblesville, Greenwood, Lawrence, Plainfield, Brownsburg, Beech Grove, Zionsville, Speedway, Southport, Westfield, Avon, Cumberland, Cicero, McCordsville, Pittsboro, Whitestown, and Sheridan. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 99 and 137. Interstate 69 between mile markers 200 and 213. Interstate 70 between mile markers 62 and 97. Interstate 74 between mile markers 63 and 100. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Johnson, and Marion.